Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ghidra 11.3.2 on Kali Linux 2025.1c. So first open any web browser, then go to Ghidra official website, that is ghidra-sre.org. Hit enter. See, Ghidra is a software reversing engineering suite of tools developed by NSS Research Directorate in support of the cyber security mission. So click on download from GitHub. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 11.3.2. Okay, then click on this zip file to download. See, download started and its size is 426 megabytes. Okay, now click on this installation guide. Then go to this minimum requirements. See, we must have Java 21 and Python 3. Okay, now go open terminal. Verify Java version, Java -- version. See, we have the Java latest one. It's fine. Okay. Then Python 3. Hit enter. See, its version is Python 3.13. So it is the latest one. The version must be between 3.9 to 3.13. Download is in progress. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now go to terminal. Ctrl G to quit. CD downloads ls. See here we have the Ghidra zip file. Ctrl A, unzip, then give Ghidra, give the tab to autofill Ghidra file name, hit enter. See, we have successfully extracted. Ctrl A, ls. Now go to this Ghidra directory, ls. Now we have to run this Ghidra run file. Sudo //Ghidra, give the tab, run, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now we have to select the JDK home directory, hit enter. Go to this library directory, then click on this JVM, then select the OpenJDK 21. Select it. See, it is missing JDK executable. So Ctrl C to cancel. Now download the Java JDK 21. So download Java JDK by clicking on this Adaptium Tamarind. Now select the OS version. Select Linux. Then select x64-bit. Then select package as JDK, then 21 LTS. Then download this JDK file. Click on the star.gunzip file. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Its size is 197 megabytes. See, download is completed. Go to downloads direct, go up ls. See here we have the OpenJDK. Extract this one also. tar-xf. Then give open, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have extracted. So remove this gunzip file and zip file. rm, give Ghidra, give the tab, underscore, give the tab. Also remove this OpenJDK zip file, hit enter. ls. Now go to this Ghidra directory again. cd Ghidra, give the tab, hit enter. ls. Now run this sudo .Ghidra run, hit enter, again hit enter. Now go to this download directory, home directory, go to this downloads directory. See here we have the JDK directory. So select it, click on open. See, now it is opening. Select I agree. Wait a moment, it is opening Ghidra. I don't want tips, so close it. I don't want this help file also. Later we will open that. Now verify the version about Ghidra. See here we have the 11.3.2. Okay, and its Java version is 21.0.7. Click on OK. And if you want to create project, new project, if you want to open the existing one, open, delete, restore project. And see here we have a different option like configure. See, we have these tools. Okay, and if you want install extensions, click on it here. See, these are the list of the extensions available. Just you need to select. Okay, click on close. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install or set up Ghidra 11.3.2 on Kali Linux 2025.1c. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.